To access staff settings, navigate to the main menu bar icon and select Staff. In this video, I'm going to show you how to input employees and set access and privilege rights based on the roles you set for your staff. Start by typing your employee's name and click the Add Employee button or press Enter. Add the employee's email, telephone number, address, city, state, and zip code. Since we're just getting set up, we don't have any roles yet defined. Click Save to save your employee, and let's define roles. To get started, click on the Roles link under Staff. From here, you can enter in the different roles or positions you'd like to set for your employees. To add POS privileges to each of the roles, click on the pencil icon to edit. Select front of the house or back of the house, and check the box to add any privileges to the existing role. We've broken privileges down into 7 distinct sections, the first being security. SmartTab allows operators to limit their employee clock-in to only their scheduled shifts. This can help tremendously with excess labor costs. If you have a manager or other salaried position that needs access to the POS system at all times, you can grant that here. Fingerprint only allows you to be absolutely certain about who can access what. This can be extremely helpful to limit employees clocking one another in, or using a manager's number for nefarious activities. Clockout requires all checks settled will ensure that all tabs are accounted for at the end of that employee's shift. Auto logout will make sure that certain employees aren't ringing in drinks under other employees' numbers. View cache figures allows you to limit who has access to your drawer's numbers. And by default, SmartTab will automatically clock out employees at the end of the shift if they've forgotten. This will be based on the last time they used the POS system. If for some reason you don't want this active, click this box. The second section of privileges is access. POS login allows you to select whether an employee can ring things into the system or merely needs to clock in to account for their time. Editing tabs, no sales, assigning drawers, and the rest of the privileges under access are self-explanatory and generally set for management to allow the most flexibility during business. The next section of privileges is function. The items here allow you to further delineate which staff members can create tabs, transfer products, disable products, discount or void orders, adjust gratuities, and any other function staff may need during service. The fourth section is POS reports. This allows staff to view the various reports SmartTab offers. Below that, you have the ability to select which staff members are emailed reports on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. Finally, we have email notice and mobile access. Here you can choose whether or not the staff member themselves or management receives email notification if they're late to work, if they missed a break, skipped a clock out, or missed their scheduled shift. The mobile section gives access to the admissions list, mobile reports, and if you have the type of venue that uses handheld devices for service, here's where you'd grant that access for the staff members that need it. Once you've set up staff roles and assigned privileges, click the purple check mark to save your work. Navigate to the top of the page and select Staff. Now that we have privileges set and roles assigned, you can select which staff members fill those roles and thus the privileges they have within the POS system. Click Save and you're done.